So, what we're looking from an evolution perspective is that BlackBerry today already accomplishes wireless email, application connectivity, browsing, and collaboration such as instant messaging or business social networking and such. With mobile voice system, we've added in the enterprise phone capability. But what this is showing us is a increased convergence of all of these capabilities into one platform, such as this device, right? And where does this take us going into the future? Well, as an individual, what I find with my device today already is that this is my personal outlook on the world and also my business outlook on the world. I have my contacts here from my personal basis and my business basis. Already, when I get into my car, I sit down via Bluetooth, two systems marry together, and I'm seeing my phone directory from my device in my car. Okay? Think of those concepts moving forward that, you're carrying around your identity, your digital identity more so on this device every year, right? And you're dealing with what I'll call peripherals that, depending on the context of my situation, I'll interact differently. So, what I like to do, use a personal example, control my home theater system from this device. Definitely, right? Do I want to play music off that's stored on this device? I want, sure, yeah. Right? Same with the car. Likewise, in the enterprise, take enterprise calls, make enterprise calls, integrate the applications, project things off to overhead, digital projectors automatically. From a device just this size, becomes a much greater possibility that the technology is now evolving, the storage capabilities there, the networks are becoming more relevant, that you can do these sorts of things. So I think what you're going to see is a constant evolution of capability. People finding out how to do things more efficiently, how to tie together more things together, essentially.
And how does the server tie into that?
Well, the BlackBerry Enterprise Server is key for an enterprise because, the solution is made up of two elements. There's the device that the individual is running around with, and then there's the enterprise server, which the two in combination provide a very secure, managed environment to satisfy the needs of IT, yet empowers the end user to do what they need to do. Right? So they're kind of work hand in hand. The BlackBerry Enterprise Server obviously has a number of elements. Mobile data system links off to the application and browsing world. Mobile voice system links off to telephony. Right? And then there are other elements within the platform to allow things like file exchange directly from the BlackBerry Enterprise Server, linking into your email environments, collaboration environments, etc. But again, this all comes together on the BlackBerry platform, which is then sent out to the end user. And the end user can interact with the world. But there's really kind of like three choices now. You have personal area networking, so the Bluetooth capability, and we have secure versions of that type of capability. We have the wide area network via cellular or Wi-Fi and how you want to do that. And then you also just have the secure data connectivity back to the enterprise. So that you're marrying all these things together and the possibilities become endless, right? I keep thinking every day of new things I'd like to do with my BlackBerry and how I'd like to control how I interface with other systems around the world. Already today I'm starting to see things like with my airline, I can do a check-in from my mobile device. It actually sends me an image of the barcode that they then scan right on the device. Great! Wouldn't you like to be able to go into a store instead of receiving a paper receipt? Just email me the receipt. You have me on file. You just detected who I am. Send me the receipt automatically, right? And likewise in the business world, same thing. It's exchange information much more.